You are going to love 2011 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, rear parking aid, fog lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.